Hi everyone, Anchita this side. Welcome back to AV Automation Hub and welcome to the backend series. In previous video, we learned about different HTTP method, and in today's video, we are going to learn about what is the difference between post versus put versus patch. So this is one of the famous interview question. Now let's learn about it using the example of cakes. For example, you walk into a bakery and you order a chocolate cake. So that's a post request where you are creating something new. If you order again, the order will not be replaced, but you will get another cake. For example, next time you say, I want a strawberry cake. So now in this case, what will happen? You will get two cakes, one strawberry cake and one chocolate cake. So this is a post request where you are creating something new. Now you change your mind and you tell the baker, replace my chocolate cake with a strawberry one. So that's a put request. It replaces the whole thing. Even if you just change one detail, the baker will remake the entire cake, right? So that's called a put request. But what if everything is fine and you just want some extra cream or let's say some extra topping, like a choco chip topping? So that's a patch request. Here you're telling the baker, add chocolate sprinkles to my strawberry cake. The rest of the cake remains exactly the same, only the part that changed gets updated, right? If you see, there are choco chips added on the top of the cake. So that is the patch request. When you're creating something new, that is a post request. When you're replacing everything, that is a put request. For example, in this case, we ordered chocolate cake. Then we said, I don't want chocolate cake, I want strawberry cake. So here it is changed completely. That is put request. And then in the end, let's say you said, I want to add toppings on my cake. So that's a patch request, updating just a part. So next time when you order a cake, you will know which HTTP method you're using. All right. So that's about post versus put versus patch. And once your order goes to the bakery, you will get a response also. Sometimes it is order confirmed, sometimes it's cake not found, or sometimes the oven breaks. And there we will have different HTTP method for different response types. So that's what we will learn in our next video. So yeah, that's all for today's video. If you're liking the backend series, let me know in the comment section and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching AV Automation Hub.